Welcome to beautiful Lake Havasu City, known for fast boats, water sports, and lake life. We chose this destination as a way to extend our summer fun and the chance to live at an RV resort on an island. I mean, how cool is that? We're Kristen, Jameson, and Maddie. We live in our motorhome full-time, and we vacation in our camper van. We're excited to take you with us. We are currently living at an RV resort in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, and the lake has lots of big fast boats that make lots of waves. So we try to get out on the supboards early every morning before the lake gets too busy. And this is our pretty sweet launching site right by our RV spot. And the water is like bath water. It's so great. It's the middle of October and it's still in the 90s and gets to close to 100 some days, and it's perfect to make you want to get in the water.
Yeah, I think so. Man, it would be cool to be, because like the California side's so open, but like we could only do it right now, and even now like someone could be cruising too fast. Coming back at the right time, because I think a little bit longer it will maybe waves come. So what else did they teach you in your subboarding class?
That's really all I remember, is like you're supposed to take your paddle and go like this, and you want it to be like a square, like on the end, and then that's where you want your hands. So like if you can remember that that's where you have to put the bottom hand each time, the arm stays straight, and it's just like a lever that you're like pushing with a box off.
I do notice a difference. You can be like locked.
Yeah. So we have an RV mistake today. What's going on, Jay?
So we have good brass fittings with cheap nickel brass plated fittings. And the brass plated fittings have seized to the actual brass, so it won't come undone. And when I try to undo it, it actually comes apart. And this has actually happened on our rig with the main freshwater connection, where one of these quick disconnects that I got from Walmart thinking that they were good, but they're just a cheap nickel plated, has seized to our actual hose connection. So I need to replace the full hose connection coming in from our freshwater piece if I want to remove the quick disconnect. So it looks really haggard too, because I grabbed it with pliers like I shouldn't have, but I was angry and I wanted it off, and I made it worse. But it's not leaking, so that's a good thing.
So we're replacing all of it with good
proper
stuff.
Brass. Don't buy the cheap nickel stuff from Walmart. Make sure you actually buy the stuff that's true brass, so you won't be replacing
But it looks like it might be brass.
But it's so much lighter. That's the, like, it's so light.
The weight.
Yeah, like that's not brass. That's brass plated. Like, and that's gonna seize to real brass pretty easily.
Lesson learned.
Yep. Oops.